Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Google Tag Manager, which is a really nice tag management software by Google. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about it, and also I'll show you some beginning stuff that you can then enhance in your projects and everyday life. So, what it actually is. The Google Tag Manager is among the most widely used tag management software, since it can be integrated very easily and can be set up in a few minutes. It supports Firebase, which allows mobile app support which partners such as Tune, Kochava, apps flyers, etc. The software API can provide access to the manager configuration for authorized users. It can be used to collaborate with the entire organization and workspaces. Google Tag Manager allows the publishing of different environments so as to ensure smooth working. The Tag Manager 360 allows more tagging access, though the access levels to certain pages are defined. Besides this, it comes with the feature to create and update tags for the site analytics, conversion tracking, and remarketing. Another noteworthy feature is tag pausing, which is temporary disabling of the tag. Also, it allows the users to maintain the security of the site by enabling tag blacklisting, which is among the primary features to look for while choosing a tag management software. They are located in California. I don't have to explain that, so is the Google. Then it's made for all types of businesses. Small, medium, and large doesn't actually matter, and you can run it in your web browser. You don't have to install it into your computer. So, how to start? First of all, we have to create an account. Account name. Let's go with MK Tutorials. Let's go with a country of Slovakia. Container name. For example, this platform will be web, but you can go with iOS, Android, AMP, and also a server. Tag Manager is completely free, but if you decide to invest money as a company into a Tag Manager 360, you can very well do so, but yeah, it's quotation based. So there are no options like some kind of budgets. So let's create it. I do accept processing and yes. So we are loading it. And here we are in the workspace. Install Google Tag Manager, copy the code below and paste it on every page of your website. By this, you will be able to employ Tag Manager into each and every website you own or you're running for exactly more data from it. So easily, when you click on those two squares, you're able to copy it. Additionally, this is the body, this is the head. So it's very well done. Then completely easily, it has the same structure as Google Analytics. So you don't have to, so if you have some experience with one, the other won't be a problem to run for you. So on the left side, we can see the overview, which is new tags, now editing, changes not published, description, and many more workspace changes. Then we have the tags that this container has new clicks, but we can very well easily add more and more just by clicking on the new option. Triggers. This container has no triggers yet. Easily we will go and add new ones, but for now I just want to do a simple beginner's walkthrough, and I'll create more videos about how to do each and every step in a shorter video, so this one won't be extremely long, because this can take very long time to record, and I don't want to like make a million timestamps in one video. So you get each and every video, each and every problem and solution in a separate video. Then we have variables, events, page host name, path, URL, and many more, where you can configure it or create a new variables. And then the folders, which we obviously don't have any. We just created this one, but the new folder is so easy to create. It's just completely up to you. And then the templates. You can search gallery for a new template, which is in here, some kind of very basic, let's say, integrations, and also variable templates, where you can also search a gallery and the pick that you really like. Then we have the version and also the admin options. In there we have container settings, container activity management, install Google Tag Manager, which will reappear the head and the body of the code, import and export container, external account links, and many more, account activity, and also the account settings, which you see have all the information. For user management, you can add more people, as you can see, add user, and just proceed with email, and also you can give them a permission. There are few options in here, which is administrator and user. So far you are the only one with the rank of administrator, but if you have some trusted employee or a friend, you can easily transfer the rights to him or make him on the same level. But I believe he won't be able to remove or revoke your rank. Other than that, on the top right corner we have the analytics option, where we just can switch between, and automatically you are in your analytics option. Then, among others, we have Data Studio and Platform Home, which you can basically switch between each and every platform. So my products are analytics and tags management. I also created the analytics one, so you can go there and check out what I had to say, and then user settings and feedbacks. But this one is you won't be scrolling through much there. And yeah, then on the top right you can just add a new account, manage account, or sign out from the Gmail account. And also you can search in workspaces. This is your unique code. And yeah, I don't think that you should go and search any further than Google Analytics and Tag Manager. They are very well done. I would say that they are quite hard to learn and hard to master, but once you reach the level of basically knowledge, you will have no problem of navigating in them. It would really help me if you guys leave a comment underneath. What do you want to see, or what do you want to know about Tag Manager, how to get inside, how to log in, how to log out, how to micromanage your website. so I can more carefully point the new videos towards you. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you feel like, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.